what you do with that. And God knows what I'm going to do with this. How? Now, I wouldn't mind because I've got a steam box in the unit, and if I had time to template this and take it back, steam it into shape, it'll be okay. But this one is going to be a bit tricky. I had a little mishap. Where is it? Over there. But that's going to be filled in any case. Every 10 mil, I just cut it, the back. Basically, I didn't go all the way through, I left 5 mil. And then kettle, hot water a few times, and got it steaming and bent it. As you can see, there's another radius there. These walls are all over. So just got that one there.